Want to add real fillable forms inside your InDesign projects? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Google form, export with In5, and run it in any browser, desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here's what you'll learn today. Embed a Google form using HTML. Size your InDesign frame so the form fits perfectly. Preview with EPUB Interactivity Preview. Export with the In5 wizard. Collect responses in Google Sheets and by email. Here's what you'll need. Essential panels, menus and commands, In5 plugin tools, Google Forms interface, form examples, and testing and output assets. In my InDesign file, I've placed a shape where the form will go. Up in the Transform panel, I'll note the size, 510 pixels wide by 680 pixels tall. This layout is Portrait, which works best for forms. Keeping layers cleanly named makes it easier to manage later. Let's grab the form. Create or open your form. At forms.google.com, first, click Publish. To make sure it's shareable, then open the vertical ellipses menu, that's the 3 dots, and choose the Embed HTML. Enter the width and height values we noted earlier, then copy the code. Without publishing, the code won't show up when you export. Back in InDesign, go to Object, Insert HTML, paste, and hit OK. Delete the old shape. It's important that nothing overlaps the old frame. The iframe has to sit on top, or it won't be clickable. To check it, go to Window, Interactive, EPUB, Interactivity Preview, and press Play. There's the form right inside your layout. Save your file, then export with In5. I'll use the Easy Export Wizard with Pixel Perfect. Open the output in your browser, and the form is live. Let's try that again, but quicker. I'll set up another placeholder, grab a new embed code, paste it, and preview. Once you've done it once, repeating is fast. All form submissions go straight back to Google. Click the Responses tab in your form to see results. You can also open them in Google Sheets, where every response becomes its own row. And if you want instant updates, turn on email notifications for new submissions. If the form doesn't appear right away, reopen the HTML code and hit OK. If it's misaligned, double-check the width and height values. You can also style the area around the form with InDesign elements for a branded look. Let's test on mobile. Open the export in a phone browser, and you'll see the form works exactly the same. Text fields, drop-downs, and date pickers are all interactive. Quick recap. We embedded a Google form in InDesign, sized it correctly, exported with In5, and tested on desktop and mobile. All responses flow into Google Forms and Sheets, with optional email alerts to keep you updated. Now you can add fillable forms to your interactive projects. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and check out our other In5 tutorials.